Right, so it's Easter Sunday. I'm sat here in the truck. We usually like to try and get out in the trucks every so often. We don't do it as often as we'd like to. But yeah, we're hoping to get out and do some lanes today. The weather is absolutely hideous on and off. One minute is roaring sunshine, the next minute it's hailstones and pouring rain and serious wind. But yeah, so Emma's unfortunately at work today, so I'm flying solo today, but I'll see if I can get some shots, and yeah, that's about it. Right, so we're on the road. Fucking CB, we're on the road. All the boys in front. Rich out with us today as well. Should be a good laugh. We're just going to do a few local lanes and that. Should be good fun. Right, pubs are engaged, let's get on, try and catch up with everybody. This looks fucking hideous through here. I didn't think it was going to be too bad today, but fucking Jesus. Richie coming back to see if I got stuck or not. No, not stuck, mate, just buggered hubs. Better get the little tiny duck pond forward at the end, look. See this one? Through the duck pond. Good, it washes out all your brakes and that, which is a bonus. Panoramic view of the Dorset countryside. We've got some beautiful hills here. Pretty rural area. Yeah, we've got some big towns, but there's no cities as such. But yeah, I mean, you can see as far as you can see from up there, basically. It's awesome. By the looks of it. Holy fuck, let's just fucking launch ourselves into it, hope for the best. Power. Deep forward, unsuitable for motor vehicles. We'll see about that. Well, it's safe to say it's fairly deep looking at it. Hell of a drop off here now. Let's let these boys get on in front of it. Here we go. Drop it in now. That is coming in round my doors. That is coming in real bad. There is always one. Fucking hell. That is deep. There's Gary smiling and waving, look. Here we go, let's see if we can get Gary free. And he's off. Let's see about Richie driving on through here. Piece of piss.
The back of your truck looks too tiny. She reckons the muddy road will make it look better.
More like it. We'll show them how it's done. Fucking hell, even taking off is hard here. So you get a little bit of speed on, I think. Go on, don't stop, whatever you fucking do. Fuck, I'm struggling. I'll make it, but Jesus Christ. Sharon's walking faster than I'm driving. This is steep. Fucking hell, much more than you've rolled the fucking truck here. Holy shit. All these logs and stuff that are just chucked down in there as well. The trees have fucking come down through. Fucking hell. This is everything the poor old girl's got. We made it. I think that's the worst bit of this one. Looks like it's pretty deep. Flowing as well. Let's get me down in there. And we're through. Soaked, but we're through. As far as fords go, this is the most extreme we got in Dorset, and this fucker gets deep, as you can see. Distinctly floaty in the middle of it.
Hit my floater in the middle there.
Gary's taking the bridge option. It's obviously deepest where it's flowing there in the middle the most, but holy fuck. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Got it moving. Thank fuck for that. I didn't think I was going to get out of there. Got to get up the rest of this yet, but fucking Jesus. I really didn't think I was going to get out of there. Right, boys, so we're on our way home now. Another good day out. Weather held off just about, so that's a bonus. And we should be in home just by the time that Emma gets home as well, which is a bonus. Keep her happy. She's not very happy that she didn't get to come today, but unfortunately her pharmacy were on rota to work this Easter Sunday, so that's the way it goes, unfortunately.